This Minolta MNX5K1 action camera records in crisp 5K Ultra HD with a detailed 24 megapixel sensor, making fast action and scenic shots look impressively sharp. The included waterproof housing is rated for deep dives and keeps the camera protected while you capture underwater scenes with a very wide 170-degree field of view. Dual screens on the back and front make it easy to frame both traditional shots and selfies, which is especially handy when the camera is mounted on a helmet or board. Built-in Wi-Fi and app control let you adjust settings and review clips from your phone, so you can share your adventures without waiting to get back to a computer. Creative modes such as time-lapse, slow motion, and burst photos add flexibility for storytelling, giving your footage a more polished and cinematic feel. The kit is generous, bundling a memory card, cleaning tools, remote, and a large accessory pack so you can mount the camera securely in many different situations right out of the box.